Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add story highlights on Facebook, so let's jump right into it. First go ahead and open Facebook and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. From there tap on your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three dots next to edit profile. From here tap on archive and then tap on story archive. In here you'll find all of the stories that you have ever posted. Just tap on one that you want to add on highlights. Tap on the star symbol right here, and you can either choose to add it to an old highlight or create another one. I'm going to create another one. From here you'll need to do a little setup for your highlights, maybe give it a name. And this name and picture will be shown right under your profile once you tap on save in the bottom. So if you go back to your profile now, just like that, you will find your story highlights right here, and that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.